Welcome! Thank you so much for being here. This is Health and Yum, where we mix delicious recipes with nutrition and health tips. I'm Alina, and today we are making a wholesome quinoa salad loaded with fresh veggies and healthy for your heart. This is a very easy recipe to put together. Here's what we need: 1 cup quinoa, 1 can chickpeas, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, 1 cup grated carrots, 1 diced yellow bell pepper, 1 cup diced cucumber, 3 diced celery stalks, half diced red onion, 100 grams of feta, 1 cup sliced olives, chopped parsley, and 2 chopped green onions. For the dressing, we need a 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 3 cloves of garlic. We start by cooking the rinsed quinoa in 2 cups of water on medium heat until the quinoa has absorbed all of the water. There aren't many plants that are complete proteins, but quinoa is one of them, so it's beneficial to include it in your diet, especially if your diet is mostly plant-based. And don't forget to stay till the end, because I'll share another delicious meal idea that is also good for your heart and super easy to make. Now drain and give your chickpeas a really good rinse. Let's chop the tomatoes. Did you know that lycopene from tomatoes helps lower blood pressure and LDL cholesterol? I like to cut the veggies quite small, so there is a bit of everything in each bite. Grate the carrots coarsely and watch those fingers. On to the bell peppers. Fiber and antioxidants play an important role in protection against heart disease. This salad has fiber and antioxidants from tomatoes, carrots, bell peppers, and the rest of the veggies. It also has fiber from chickpeas and quinoa. Speaking of which, don't forget to check the quinoa on the stove. Onions might make you cry, but it's worth it because eating them can lower your risk of heart disease. Red onions are also rich in flavonoids that give their deep, rich color. Next, slice the pitted olives. I like using olives in the salads I make for my family, but you can omit them if you'd like. Green onions and parsley are important components of this salad. They not only bring amazing flavor, but also help in lowering blood pressure and decreasing the risk of heart disease. My family and I really love feta, so we like to double the amount of feta we use in this recipe. Let me know in the comments if feta is one of your favorite ingredients. Let's give the lemons a squeeze. You can add as much garlic as you like, as it helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol, which are key elements for a healthy heart. Use extra garlic at Halloween to keep the vampires away. And we are done prepping everything. In a large bowl, let's combine all the ingredients. Look how colorful this salad is. We are really eating the rainbow. You don't have to follow the amount of ingredients to a T. When baking a delicious treat, we have to use the exact amounts that the recipe needs, but making this salad is not an exact science. You can add more or less of certain ingredients depending on your dietary preferences. Drizzle the dressing ingredients over the salad and gently toss everything together. Chill the salad so the flavors have a chance to combine and really come out. As you can see, the recipe makes a lot of salad. In my family, we don't mind eating leftovers. We enjoy the salad for a couple of days in a row, especially since it's more flavorful after all the ingredients blend together. Once you make this salad, you can store it in the fridge in mason jars and take it on the go with you. Or you can impress your guests at a dinner party. My husband said that this is one of the best things I have ever made, and both my children thought that the salad was really good. Well, it sounds like we have a winner. You can turn this salad into a heart-healthy meal by serving it with broiled or grilled salmon with a side of leafy greens. Although it's vegetarian, this salad is rich in protein from quinoa, chickpeas, and feta. So good and healthy. Yum! I hope you'll enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video.